Hi everyone. On this video, I will explain about some problems in JavaScript while breaking down these solutions. Email validation, phone number formatting, HTML tag removal, URL parsing, and credit card masking. So let's explain each example separately. The first one is email validation. So this expression is used to check or verify if a string matches the standard email address true or not. For example, so here on the first test we can see here Bermet email symbol gmail.com. So here everything is correct. So if we will match and check this, so it's correct when we will compare with the standard format of email address. Here we can check with the function check email with this constant string. Here you can see this string. So let's explain about other examples. So on the second test, we can see here that this example is false. This is incorrect because the local name is missing here. So in the end, we have to add here any name because it should be here. On the third one, Bermet 13 email symbol iCloud.com. So it's also matches the standard email address, so it's true. And the first one here, as you can see, we missed the email symbol, which is very important, so it will be false. So this solution helps us to check if a string matches the email address format or not. The second one is phone number formatting. Phone number formatting is so this function is solved to convert a given string num into standard phone number formatting. For example, so we can enter here any number without formatting. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. So it's any number, and this function will convert to the standard phone number format. Here you can see some commands which helps us to do formatting. So D3 is, so this function matches and captures the first 3 digits of a phone number. The second D3, as you can see here, it matches and captures the next 3 digits of the phone number. And the fourth one is the matches and captures the last four digits of the phone number. Let's check this. So let's check here my phone number. We just can copy this. Check one more example here. So I will write here my phone number. My phone number is 713-818-8371. So let's check this. So as you can see here, so this function converted my phone number to the phone number formatting, the standard phone number. And the next one is HTML tag removal. So this function here, this function removes HTML tag from any. So this function is for removing HTML tag from the given string. For example, let's check with tests. So here you can see that so this function just removes any HTML tags on the string, on the given string. For example, when we when we write there anything by using the code, we have to use here HTML tags. But with this function, we can remove all the tags. So in the output, we will get only this string without any without any HTML tag. So we solve this problem with these commands. So the first one is starting, and the second one matches the opening angle bracket of the HTML tag, as you can see here. So here you can see other examples. So this function will remove any HTML tags which we don't need. The next one is your URL parsing. So it's URL parsing is URL parsing is used to separate the or the extract of the URL. So URL is a string which contains components like protocol, domain, path, query, and hash. Let's explain each. Let me explain each part separately. For example, protocol indicates the protocol used access to the internet, and the domain part, as you can see here, so it specifies each location, the location of the URL, and the path identifies the exact resource, and the query contains additional resources or additional data, and the hash specifies exact section. So let's divide them into parts. So this part is protocol, and this part is domain. This part is path, its query, and the hash. So this function will divide each part separately. We can also check this here. So I have already added here examples, as you can see here. So the first example is this URL. You can see here that protocol part is this one, the main part is mailgoogle.com, and the path is mail. So query is missing here. So here is any additional part, and the hash is inbox. Let's look for the other one. As you can see here, we here missing two parts, which is the query, last two parts, query and hash. So this URL parsing just help us to understand the URL part effectively. The last one is credit card so it explains how to cover all but the last 4 digits of credit card number with icon or symbols. So you can see here that this function just hide all the numbers besides 4 last digits. So here also we will use commands as mentioned in last problems, in the previous problems. So D4 captures groups of 4 digits, and the second one so matches exactly the 4 digits. So here we need exactly 4 last digits, which should be visible for us. Let's look on the compiler here. So I have just gave here any credit card number, So it also formats like the second solution, which is phone number formatting. It's also divides to the parts, and high are the previous digits besides last four digits. Um, I hope that this video will understandable. I tried my best. Thanks for watching. See you again.